Savannah.
How?
Not on Savannah.
You called out to us.
That's right.
You reached out to Haiti.
Yes.
Yep. You knew we were strong.
Yes.
Right.
You knew we were compassionate.
That's right.
You knew we would not say no
That's right.
because we are a loving people,
Come on.
a caring people.
Yeah.
Right. We open up our doors to the people.
Yeah.
We fought for you, America. We gave our lives for you, America.
Blood.
Our blood, our tears, America.
That's it.
And today, look at you, America. Look at your beautiful buildings, America. Look at your politicians, America. They sit in fancy offices. They drive around in beautiful vehicles off of our state dollars, not Rodney's. She's an exception to the rule. And no, Farah, I don't know their business, but what I will say is the general population, the political powers that be, they have access to a lot of our blood, sweat, and tears. The land that we stand on, the blacks built. Haiti fought. We died. And we were not even acknowledged. We were not acknowledged.
Louisiana purchased territories. Yeah.
They never talk about it in the school books, do they?
They don't.
Did you hear
Don't
that
say
in the
Haiti.
school books in school?
No.
Did you even know about Savannah in school?
No.
This is why we fight. For those today that are here, I want to thank you publicly. My name is Anaya A, and I created the Haitian Committee at the National Action Network, and this is where things get a little funny. When we as a Haitian people start something, we must finish.
Finish it.
I want to publicly say that when I led 35 Haitians to the National Action Network, they did not return. They left me hanging. Haitian people, we must know that the end result will look like this every time. If we stuck with Reverend Al Sharpton when you committed yourself, I can't be the only one. The reason I cry is because every time we try something, we let this drama sabotage us. We let Zekazenu. We can't do this anymore. If we don't put our heads together this time around, there is no Haiti. Reverend Al Sharpton, over 40 years ago, fought for us. I wasn't even alive then, but I heard him going across the bridge, fighting about AIDS. I heard him standing up for us as a people. Today I publicly declare that some of the elected officials have been standing, and I want to just read a quick snippet from the Lieutenant Governor's office. Brian Benjamin, as a senator, gave me a proclamation to honor Reverend Al Sharpton as a Haitian. I came to you all. I came to each of you. This is the message, Pastor. This is the message. Do you know how much it hurts? I'm Haitian American. When I was bullied in school and they said I ate cats, I didn't have you all then, but I have you today. Farah, real quick, I never did anything to hurt you. They wanted me to smear you, and I did it. I love you. I've loved you since you were working with Dumani. I never wanted to hurt you. They did that on purpose, Farah. Today is time to reconcile. Rubenstein, in regards to Sharpton, I don't know what's going on, but let's try to do something about that as well.
Yes.
You and Rubenstein, you and Reverend Sharpton were together like hard.
Unity.
Please unify. I'm begging you. We need you guys to be together. Today, the only politician that really had my back from day one was Brian Benjamin. And on October 16th, we're having an event for Haiti outside of the state building. And he allows his staff to help me with everything. I'm not even in this district. Dear management, the office of former state Senator Brian Benjamin, now known as the office of Senate District 30, due to his appointment as Lieutenant Governor of New York State, is reaching out to you today to discuss an upcoming community event our office is sponsoring. He's not Haitian. It is aptly named Bringing Haiti to Harlem, and for this event, we are seeking in-kind donations of tents and tarps to send to individuals in Haiti who have been affected by the natural, I can't even move. Individuals in Haiti who have been affected by the recent natural disaster.
Individuals in Haiti who have been affected by the recent natural disaster, to support them with temporary shelter solutions. We are also seeking in-kind donations of personal hygiene, toiletries. In writing to you, I ask you may participate as a corporate supporter and bring Haiti to Harlem event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please reach out to us, you guys. My name is Anaya. My information is here. My number is 833-334-6468, extension 8. If you don't trust me for whatever reason, talk to the state building, talk to Brian Benjamin. Let's work together, please. Please.
We're gonna make it happen.
This time I want to